Suman, delicious, one of the Philippines' delicious and famous dessert. These and all recipes can be found in the book Mom and Chef, Nanay Nene Theodora of Philippines Cuisine Cookbook Recipes, written by Juanita Gutierrez, and this recipe book is available at Amazon.com, Xlibris.com, in ebook, Kindle, and paperback. Masarap ang suman sa Pilipinas. Happy cooking and enjoy the healthy food. These recipes came from Mom, my beloved Mom, Theodora, and you have all the secrets of Mom's cooking skill in Mom and Chef, Nanay Nene Theodora of Philippines Cuisine Cookbook Recipes, written by Juanita Gutierrez, and enjoy the suman, one of the famous desserts in the Philippines. Delicious is one of my favorite. Enjoy delicious dessert from the Philippines. You can find in Mom and Chef, Nanay Nene Theodora of Philippines Cuisine Cookbook Recipes, written by Juanita Gutierrez. Masarap, that means in Tagalog, delicious. Enjoy the suman from the Philippines, found in the book Mom and Chef, Nanay Nene Theodora of Philippines Cuisine Cookbook Recipes. Enjoy, happy eating, and cooking. Life is good.